अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक को डिस्कस कर रही है सेंटर ऑफ मास और सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी। ऑलराइट, सेंटर ऑफ मास और सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी में फ़र्क क्या है? लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग है, लेकिन यू जस्ट लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास एंड सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी। आफ्टर दिस लेक्चर इंशाल्लाह यू विल हैव नो डाउट, यू विल हैव नो प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग सेंटर ऑफ मास एंड सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी। सेंटर ऑफ मास क्या है? द पॉइंट about which mass is equally distributed in all direction is called center of mass. सेंटर ऑफ मास मतलब ये तो सेंटर होगा, ये मास का सेंटर होगा, ये वो सेंटर होगा, वो पॉइंट होगा जिससे मास इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा ऑल डायरेक्शन में। ठीक है, लाइक लेट्स सपोज आई एम टेकिंग दिस बुक, ऑलराइट, दिस वी हैव डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स हियर ऑन दिस बुक। लेट्स सपोज this is point 1, okay, particle 1, this is particle 2, this is particle 3, this is 4, and this is 5. I have 5 particles or 5 points on this book, all right, and let's suppose the 5 points are my 5 fingers. I'm just keeping 5 fingers, and these are 5 points, 5 fingers, all right. I don't know the center of this mass, I don't know the center of this book, because here I have 5 points. I need only one point, the point about which the book is nisam the badisirazi. All right, if I bring my hand here, book will go on that side. If I bring my hand here, the book will come this side. Okay, this will go down. I have 5 points, but here is no center of mass. All right, the second point by is the book writing kam sang chema badi pinzau point nu writing kare sang chema badi pinzau point nu the book writing kare de او مال دې یو پوینټ پکار دی چې دغه سي دا بوک ز پاغه یو پوینټ عمره ټیک کوم چې زه موو کولای شم او کته سینا. alright, so if I take it this book from here, the book cannot go down. alright, څنګه چې ما دا 15 پوینټونه موو کو دغه سی واز د یو پوینټ نه. here the point is only one and this is the center of this mass, this is the center of mass. alright, because the book cannot move, so there is the center of mass. Let's take a circle. So this is the center of mass because the mass is equally distributed in all direction. all right, if we take this one, so this is not the center of mass. کدلته کې د دې نه دا سرکل یا دا هر څه چې د سرکولر شیپ ته د دې نه موږ ونیسو دا به دې طرف ته راغورځيږي. if I take the circle from here, so the circle will come on their side. okay, د دې طرف به مو کې خته بزي. if I take the circle from here, means from the center, so this will not move anywhere. movement nahi. So this is the center of mass. all right, mostly these are horizontal. okay, or let's suppose we take a rod. So where is the center of mass? The center of mass is here. Let's suppose this is only some there is the center of mass. all right, now center of gravity kya hai? The point where whole weight of the body appears to act is called center of gravity. Center of mass mein mass ki baat thi, the point about which mass is equally distributed. okay, the point about which weight is equally distributed, weight. all right, let's suppose we take it mostly vertically. all right, we take it mostly vertically. This is, let's suppose, a vertical rod. okay, now look at the marker going to that side. all right, it means that the center of gravity is to that side. If move anywhere, all right, this side if comes, it means that the center of gravity is here to this side. all right, no center of gravity چې ویټ کم طرف ته زیات هو الته به سنټر اف ګریویټي. موږ په پښتو کې خبره کوو کنه، موږ وایو د دې شي یا مطلب د دې باډي د دې ابجیکټ ټول زور دغه طرف ته دی، ټول ویټ یا ټول وزن هغه طرف ته دی چې کم طرف ته ټول وزن دیٹ از د سنټر اف ګریویټي. alright, let's suppose we take an irregular object. alright, so where is the center of gravity? Center of gravity looks like here. okay, چې کم طرف ته زیات ماسي or maybe I wrong, center of gravity looks like here. چې کم طرف ته ویټ زیات फोकस कई आपका तरफ तो भाई सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. ऑलराइट, एंड सेंटर ऑफ मास जो मास टोटल कम तरफ तक खोश है. ऑलराइट, दैट इज सेंटर ऑफ मास. लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ इरेगुलर शेप. इरेगुलर शेप अगर हम ले, लेट्स सपोज वी टेक दिस वन. ओके, दिस इज एन इरेगुलर शेप. तो दी सेंटर ऑफ मास कम चाहिए. लेट्स सपोज टेक दिस फिगर. सो वेयर इज द सेंटर ऑफ मास? सेंटर ऑफ मास अगर आप मालूम या फाइंड करना चाहते हैं तो आप ऐसा करेंगे कि इस ऑब्जेक्ट को यानी इस पेपर को आप लटकाएंगे, एक पॉइंट से लटकाएंगे. लेट्स सपोज आई एम जस्ट हैंगिंग दिस फिगर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ओके, कम से पता चला दिस बखतर आला दिस यू विल ड्रा अ लाइन फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, यू विल ड्रा व्हाट? यू विल ड्रा अ लाइन, plumb line. This is called plumb line. Then I'll take another corner. Okay, I'll take it from another corner I took from here, and I'll draw a line from there, straight line downward. Okay, Then I'll take from another corner, let's suppose from here, and I'll draw a line here. So the point of intersection where all the three lines intersect, that intersection point is the center of mass. All right, if we deal with some irregular objects, all right, so where the 3 points intersect each other will be the center of mass. So this is the center of mass of this body. all right, irregular shape के हम center of mass इस तरीके से find करेंगे कि इस object को हम लटकाएंगे different points से, at least 3 points से आप इसको लटकाएंगे, और where the 3 lines intersect each other, that intersection point is the center of mass. all right, center of gravity क्या है? Where the whole weight of the body is acting, where the whole weight of the body is acting, कि कम तरफ तक ज़्यादा weight थे, कम तरफ तक ज़्यादा मुतवज्जे थे, जोर कई वजन ही कम तरफ थे, that is the center of gravity. all right, center of mass can be represented by cm, and center of gravity is abbreviated as cg. So this was a short concept of center of mass and center of gravity. Here we deal with mass, here we deal with weight. all right, mass और weight में difference क्या है? So this I have already discussed in my previous lecture. Link is also given in the description. You please go there and watch that lecture, that mass और weight में difference क्या है. ठीक है? Then अगर आप यहाँ आ जाए तो ये आपके लिए easy होगा फिर. Must remember one thing, that center of mass और center of gravity object या मतलब जो shape है उससे बाहर भी हो सकता है. Let's suppose I am taking the example of banana. all right, ये बनाना हम लेंगे, इसका जो सेंटर ऑफ मास है वो यहाँ पर होगा, बिकॉज इफ़ यू टेक दिस पॉइंट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस बनाना, सो इफ़ आई टेक दिस बनाना फ्रॉम हियर, banana will go down in this direction. all right, there will be a movement. If I take, let's suppose the banana from here, banana will go on that side. Let's suppose that this is this baji. all right, if I take from this side, so the banana will go like this, so that is not the center of mass, and banana is curved shape. So if I take from the center, let's suppose from the center, there is already curved shape. all right, so if I take from the center, that will go like this. okay, so if I take from here, here is no place to take the banana actually, but let's suppose I am just drawing a wire. okay, wire mung yautar barawolu yautar diji natije pure mung yautar rawolu aga tar najda mung padi center ki disi uni chu, the banana cannot move. okay, when the banana does not move, it means that there is center. So it is not necessary that the center of mass or the center of gravity must be inside the shape, that can be outside as well. all right, so you should keep this point in your mind. This was all about the difference between center of mass and center of gravity. This was enough for today. See you in the next lecture.